family. Bamboo is very dangerous wood. This place. Oh, finished. I have bamboo. I have not bamboo stick, bamboo arrow, because I make bamboo. I make hand. It's not problem. This Bangus. I need not more ingredients. Only black pepper. Black pepper. Need crush. Very fresh. Good smell. But you hear new my fluid and accompaniment guitar. Maybe you like it. I don't know. Tell me please. Okay. Black pepper. Bangus is very Bangus or milkfish, very fat fish, but for fat food, good pineapple, because this pineapple, you see pineapple, skin is very okay. And soy sauce. Okay. In my tank, 2 glasses rice, and put turn on. Okay. And I have this. It's very fast for men. Good for a lone man. It's very good food. Okay. Wait. Now rice. Cooking. Steam. Steamed fish. Fish have juice and fat and juice and fat can bake in the rice, and rice very good tasted, you know. Okay, wait. I have timer for cook rice and fish. 10 minutes orientally. Start. Time begin. Wait now. People often ask me where my family. My family now it's me. My 3 old child live and work in Germany now. My young son 20 years. My old son 30 years. And my daughter Natasha 28 years. And now I miss you. I really miss you because better in my young son. Because young son work now very hard in Germany. 12 hours every day work in Germany. And my wife not leaving me all time, all lot time, maybe orientally 5 years. And don't live together. And it's life. Lot people, lot men live in Filipino, not in wife, not and alone. I'm old, 59 years now, and I have lot hobby, you know, kayaking, spearfishing, wood carving, and play flute. Why I live in the Filipino? I like it, people Filipino. It's very big, true. And it's all life not very expensive. I live long time in Thailand. After 3 years, 4 years, maybe 5 years ago. And now I have not business. I have not house, home, only rent. But I like tropic country and I like Filipino. I like music and old music. My famous music, Bryan Adams, Smokey, Deep Purple, Rainbow, maybe you know it's rock band all time, and it's good for my healthy, for my healthy, no health, for my soul, because I feeling young, I feeling me young, in when I listen Bryan Adams and Smokey, Hotel California and Eagles, and lot music, Modern Talking, You My Heart. Thank you, my friends. Thank you, my subscribers. Now I not good speak English. It's yes, I know, it's very big my problem now. But I study, but I'm very old. Old people very difficult study. You know it. But I have you support. It's very important for me. You support. Thank you. Salamat. Oh, you cook. You cook. For my salad need onions. All country cooking different, but I study in Thailand, study cooking, I mean, in Filipino. It's a good. Now put vegetables. Ten minutes ago. And wait. Okay, timer finished it. 10 minutes. Cancel. And look. This rice. Nice cook and smell fat, fish fat. Beautiful rice. Okay. Eggplant. Right. I don't know where now my famous neighbor Helen, but maybe in the beach, maybe in Davao, I don't know, but I give she my cooking. Okay. Fresh. And I give free. And coconut oil. Nice.